Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the network problem on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just use the SIM ejector tool which comes with the smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM ejector tool to do that. Now the second step is to insert the SIM ejector tool in the SIM tray hole at the bottom of the smartphone, just like that. Now just take out the SIM tray from your smartphone. And from here, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM tray. And also check if there are any scratches on the SIM card. And once you have done that, just insert the SIM tray back into the smartphone. Just like that. Now, once you have done that, just open the Settings app and tap on SIM card and mobile network. And from here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your SIM card. Now, just scroll down and tap on Preferred Network Type and select 4G. Once you have done that, just scroll down and enable VoLTE. Now, after this, just go back and scroll down and tap on System Management. Now, just tap on Reset Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network and Bluetooth. Now, just tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset Settings one more time. Now, what this option does is that it resets all the network settings on your smartphone and it does not delete any data from your smartphone. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. And once you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Just tap on Restart. Now, it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the network problems on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. And this is how you can fix the network problem on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.